Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors. Today I am going to share a unique recipe of bottle gourd or Loki. Many of us became bored eating traditional Loki dishes. My today's recipe not only give you a unique taste but also will be shahi in looks, which you can prepare at home during some family occasion as well. Let's check out the recipe. First take 250 grams bottle gourd or Loki or ghia and remove the outer layer of the bottle gourd. Now cut into ring pieces. The pieces should not be too much thick or too much thin. The pieces should be equal in size. Now arrange the Loki pieces into a plate. Sprinkle salt all over the pieces and mix. Keep aside for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's check out the stuffing preparation methods. Heat 1 tablespoon of refined oil or ghee into a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped cashew nuts and raisins. Fry slightly. Then add 1 tablespoon of scraped fresh coconut. Now add 2 tablespoons of grated paneer. Mix and fry for 2 minutes. Now mix pinch of salt and green cardamom powder or choti elaichi powder. Mix properly. Now take out the stuffing mixture into a plate. After 10 minutes, you can see decent amount of water came out from the Loki pieces. It makes Loki soft and reduce cooking time. Squeeze out all water from the pieces. Now take one piece of Loki. Place spoonful of stuffing mixture and cover with another Loki piece. Slightly press on the top portion. Now stuff all Loki pieces followed by same process. Now spread 2 to 3 tablespoons of besan or chana dal powder into a plate. Coat all stuffed Lokis with besan. Now heat 2 tablespoons of refined oil in a pan. Put all stuffed Lokis into the hot oil. Fry for 2 minutes, then flip carefully and fry other side for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame until golden brown. Now take out all fried Lokis into a plate and keep aside. Let's check out the masala paste preparation for gravy. Heat 1 tablespoon of refined oil into a pan. Add 1-inch pieces of cinnamon, 2 green cardamoms and 2 cloves. Then add few black peppercorn crushed, 6 to 7 big garlic cloves, 1 medium chopped onion, 1-inch pieces of ginger, 6 to 7 soaked cashews and soaked melon seeds or char magaj. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until mixture starts changing its color. Now put the mixture into a mixer grinder and cool slightly. Then add water as required. And make a smooth paste. Let's check out the gravy preparation. Heat 2 tablespoons of refined oil or ghee into a pan. Add prepared masala paste, and stir for 2 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoons of smooth plain curd. Curd should be smooth to avoid lumps into the gravy. Mix for 2 minutes. Now add Kashmiri red chili powder or regular red chili powder. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well and cover it for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame until oil separates from the masalas. You can see how nicely oil came out on the surface of this mixture. Stir continuously until mixture becomes dry. Flame should be medium. Now add 250 ml hot water into the masala. Stir continuously and bring to a boil. Now add fried stuffed Lokis one by one. Then cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now flip Loki pieces carefully. Cover for another 5 minutes. Flame should be on low. After that, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sugar and stir for 2 minutes. Finally, sprinkle half teaspoon of roasted kasuri methi powder. First, dry roast kasuri methi leaves, then crush with your hands. You can also add chopped coriander leaves. Now dish is ready to serve. It is a good option with hot rice, roti, naan and tandoori roti. If you like my recipes, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.